Radhika from Mysore. I have graduated from Government Engineering College, Chamarajanagar in 2023. After my graduation, I want to join a core domain. So I came to know about Emertxe and I joined Emertxe. Then here they have taught us about Linux systems, C++, data structures, microcontroller and Linux internals, which helped me to get placed in a core company. And all the mentors was very supportive, and they was solving problems which we have doubts, and all the mentors were helpful for us. When we have doubts, they was clearing the doubts. And after that we have done many projects which helped me to get placed in a company. So now I have got placed in HL Mando company. Who are looking to join a core domain, they can join Emertxe. So they will provide a good coaching to get placed in a core domain. Thank you.